Hello, howdy, all of you out there in Flyerland. I wanted to share a short video. As you've noticed, no doubt by this point, I do a lot of repairs on American Flyer, and it just so happens I had an opportunity to work on somebody else's rocket diesel PA engine, and so I wanted to just post a quick video and celebration of yet another Flyer engine returned back to life. So here's a repaired rocket engine. When it came to me, it was completely frozen. Both motors were frozen, and the reversing unit was problematic. But was able to get it rolling again, and am happy to report that it has really good side frames still, axles still, motor runs quietly, runs slowly, and is still a great engine. It's got a lot of miles left in it, and I'm just really excited that this repair worked, and goes good in both directions. The owner's got a horn that he's going to reattach to it when he gets it back, and so he's going to have himself a great functioning unit again. It also still has some good speed in it.